how to hide and unhide apps on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to hide some application on your iPhone, and also you want to hide the application on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you're done of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The only criteria you need to hide and unhide app on your iPhone is make sure your iPhone is running on the latest iOS 18. To confirm this, just go to your iPhone settings. On settings page, you want to scroll up, click on general. Under general, click on software update. And make sure your iPhone is running on the latest iOS 18. Once it is running on the latest iOS 18, then you can hide and unhide app. To hide any app on your iPhone, just locate the app you want to hide. Press and hold the application. Click on Require Face ID. Then tap Hide and Require Face ID. Then you want to repeat this on all the applications you want to hide. Then once you tap Hide and Require Face ID, you'll be prompted to confirm your Face ID and then click on Hide App. Then again, once you click on Hide App, the app will be taken away from your iPhone app screen. Then again, locate another application you want to hide and require Face ID on. Press and hold it, click on Require Face ID. Then type Hide and Require Face ID. Confirm your Face ID and then click on Hide App. Now, once you've done this, this is going to hide the application from the general public. Now, to access this hidden application on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go to the Hype Library. On the Hype Library page, scroll down until you get to hidden folder. Then click on it, confirm your Face ID. Then once your Face ID is confirmed, locate the application you want to hide. Press and hold it, tap Don't Require Face ID. Then confirm your Face ID. Press and hold the other application you have in there and tap Don't Require Face ID. Then this application will be taken away from the hidden folder and they will be added to the Hype Library. Now you can now go ahead, search for the application on the Hype Library. Press and hold the application or drag it to your iPhone home screen just like this. So just drag it to where they were deleted. Then, or better still, while on the Hype Library, if you want to locate the application you hide from your iPhone library, just search for the application here. Press and hold the application and then click on Add to Home Screen. So once you click on Add to Home Screen, this is going to add the application back to your iPhone home screen just like this, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to hide and unhide apps on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.